Hey, what is going on guys? Tech Enthusiast here, and this is an Antutu benchmark comparison between the Asus ROG phone against the Samsung Galaxy Note 9. So we have a higher clocked version of the Snapdragon 845 going up against the Exynos 9810, 8GB of RAM versus 6, and the rest of the specs you can see on the sides. Now with that being said, let's get started. Just wanted to quickly mention that the recording here stopped for some reason, but we did not lose much. Anyway, the ROG phone finished first and overall it scored higher. Now looking at the breakdown of the categories, the ROG phone scored higher on each of the categories. That wraps it up for this Antutu benchmark comparison. What did you think? Do let me know in the comment section. Now if you have enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you are new here, then please do consider subscribing, as I have more videos coming up, so make sure you hit that bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release those videos. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram, and like always, thanks for watching, and I will catch up with you in the next video.